Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is growing rapidly, and DeFi Saver promises to make managing your crypto investments easier. But how does it actually perform in real use? Here's my experience. DeFi Saver is a platform designed to automate and optimize your DeFi positions. Most people think managing DeFi requires constant monitoring, but DeFi Saver offers automation tools like leverage management, debt refinancing, and portfolio rebalancing. You can connect wallets like MetaMask, and the platform will help you optimize your positions on protocols like MakerDAO, Compound, and Auth. One feature I found particularly useful is the Smart Savings and Smart Loans functions, which allow automatic adjustments to maintain desired collateral ratios. This reduces the risk of liquidation, which is a big concern in volatile markets. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, even for those new to DeFi. Fees are transaction-based and vary depending on the actions you take. While this might seem high for frequent users, the automation and risk management benefits often outweigh the costs. The platform also provides analytics showing your portfolio performance, risk exposure, and potential savings opportunities. A limitation to note is that DeFi Saver requires a basic understanding of crypto lending, borrowing, and liquidation risks. It's not a set-it-and-forget-it tool for complete beginners, but for anyone familiar with DeFi, it's a powerful way to save time and manage risk. In conclusion, DeFi Saver is a solid platform for DeFi users who want automation, risk management, and portfolio optimization. It's best suited for intermediate to advanced crypto users who understand lending and borrowing mechanics. Subscribe for more honest reviews of DeFi tools, crypto tips, and strategies to make your digital assets work smarter.